So, hello everyone, and I welcome you to this today's Ed Talks. I have with me here Rehab Syed, who's a representative at University of Guelph. Hi, how are you doing?
Hello, I'm doing very well. How are you?
Good. So, Rehab, I have some questions for you. Co-op is something that I think Guelph is pretty much known for.
Yeah.
So, tell us about your co-ops and what are the duration of your co-ops and how does it benefit the students?
Wonderful. So, University of Guelph is the fourth largest co-op university in Ontario. So we have the maximum number of co-op programs. It varies from 3 terms to 5 terms. That means anywhere from 12 months to 20 months is what the student would be able to work full time, get paid for it, and build their resumes, improve their skills, as well as you will have a lot of opportunities when it comes to working in the sector, in research work, in at the university as well, because a lot of our students they work at the university for the first co-op, and then they further move on to it. I just want to add an example of one of our students from Delhi, Neha Jindal. She did her first co-op at the university. So she pursued management, economics, and finance at a bachelor's level, and she chose to opt for a computer service department at the university for the co-op. And we were amused, and we asked her why computer? You are a business student. Why do you want to work into a computer department? And she said that that's the one skill I don't have.
Transferable
So
skills.
transferable skill,
Right.
and that's what she opted for her first co-op. And the second two, three co-ops she did with some event management company in Niagara, and the last two co-ops she did with Toronto Transit Commission, TTC. And once she graduated, they hired her back as a financial analyst, and it's been 3.5 years. She's still working with them full time, and that's what we do. At times, people ask us, "Oh, Rehab, can we get a full ride scholarship?" Unfortunately, no. But we help you to build your resumes, to add that skills to your profile. Whatever you are doing once you graduate, you start doing that from your second year at the university. So you don't really, and by the time you graduate, you already have up to 2 years of, almost 2 years of work experience. So
Awesome.
yeah.
All right. Okay, my next question to you would be the Canadian government has listed out a lot of labor shortage areas. And I think food processing, agribusiness is something which is one of the labor
Yeah,
shortage
yeah,
areas,
yeah.
right? And you have some programs which are on the top.
Correct.
So tell us more about those programs.
So, University of Guelph, Ontario Agricultural College is top one in Canada, top 30 in the world as for QS. So that's a 150 years old founding institution. We are best at them. So we have courses into agriculture, food science, food technology. And if you see Ontario as a province, it's a $51 billion food industry. So every one student who graduates has 4 job opportunities available in them. And that's one of the areas where I think students are not that aware of, not
True.
that educated
Because
about.
they think anybody who's going for an agribusiness program has to become a farmer.
Yeah, I mean, it's
But there
such
are so
such
many-
traditional thoughts that, oh, I'll be having a tractor or cows or whatnot, but no, it's beyond that.
So tell them about
You
it.
have AI implemented in your agricultural program. You have drones and how to have maximum crop yield, how technology is integrated. So it's much beyond that. Even with the food science program, your food sensory, food chemistry, how that is incorporated and increase the shelf life of the products, because these are the things. And even when I talk about Guelph as a city, we are the Guelph Innovation Center. So even with the Ontario Ministry of Food Reserves, etc., their headquarter is stationed at Guelph. So a lot of our students, they directly do their co-op with these prestigious organizations. And
And they can work in the farm equipment companies.
correct.
They can work in banks to give out loans to farmers because they know about the agribusiness. There are so many other areas which are related, and it's all again question of transferable
Correct.
skills.
And
Yes.
it's also because we are a comprehensive research universities. We have so many opportunities within the university as well,
Yeah.
to learn, grow, and, there are resources.
And
It's just that
contribute,
the
yes.
students just have to, navigate their way through it. And one of the most highly employable jobs at this point, people often, navigate towards the mainstreams,
Right.
like engineering, computing, but I always say food business, food science, food resource economics. Do explore. Comes
Yeah.
up with paid internships. One of the and that's one of the field which will not die. Food, you need food, right?
Very true.
And our campus, for something off topic as well, we are ranked top in past 1 decade #1 for campus food. So
Okay.
we are associated with food.
Food.
Guelph
Excellent.
is food. So yeah.
Great. So if you're a foodie, that's even better. All right. Thank you so
Thank you
much.
so
It was
much
wonderful
as well.
talking to you.
Same here.